The Pamu Slide Mini. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Pamu Slide Mini True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a multi-language user manual, USB-C cable for charging, an assortment of ear tips, and a carrying pouch. The Pamu Slide Mini features 10 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 5 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 3020 chipset. 6mm drivers with aptX AAC SBC codec and uses CVC for noise reduction. It has touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX6 sweat and water resistant. The case has a 400 mAh battery and it has a compact design to it. It has a matte finish and you can see the branding on the top. On the front of the case, you have the status LEDs. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. It has a nice snap to it. Earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. You will also notice that the placement of the earbuds are opposite. The right is on the left and vice versa. The case has wireless charging and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge wirelessly, and you can see it activate here. The earbuds have a stem design to it, similar to the AirPods. You have the branding on the outside, and on the top you have a rubber type sleeve that acts as earwings for stability. The ear indicators are marked on the inside, and you have the touch controls on the outer face. Each of the earbuds feature microphones, touch control, LED, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. And here they are side by side. And just to get a size perspective, here it is next to the Apple AirPods Pro. Touch controls are straightforward and it's just a matter of tapping a few times or a long press to navigate. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.1 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 38 grams and the earbuds come in at 14 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, I'm staying peace sign. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Pamu Slide Mini microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing process was also instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Pamu Slide Mini. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Comfort was very good. It had a nice snug fit and it created a good seal. It felt secure and it had no issues staying into place. Touch controls are a definite plus that it doesn't add pressure into your ear canals when navigating. Build-in quality is what you would expect at this price point. Simple plastic case design. It feels durable along with the earbuds. The touch controls were responsive and it works with no issues. They don't feel bulky at all and it has a small profile. I like the fact that it uses USB-C along with the wireless charging, and battery life is respectable, coming in at 10 hours. Now when it comes to sound, I was very impressed with what it delivered. The bass is definitely prominent. It's deep and punchy. It doesn't drown out and it's pretty precise. You do get good separation. Mids and highs come in clear and clean, but I feel it could be turned up a notch and be a bit more brighter. These definitely lean more towards a warmer sound signature. Overall, I found these to be a solid performer and you get good value for the price. Solid sounds, good fit, and long battery life. So that is my review of the Pamu Slide Mini. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.